Hey guys, here's one of my Hoover Concept 1s that I bought in Michigan about maybe 3-4 years back. I know it says it was from a place that's in Saginaw and Flint, Michigan, but it's not where I got it. I got this in either, I can't remember if it was, I believe it was Pekoske, Michigan. Way up north. Up around where my friend Alex lives. This is a model U3105. And I really like the color of this one. Although the transmission in this, for the power drive, is kind of loud. But, you know, that's pretty common for these machines to be that way. Go ahead and move my charging cord out of the way. So we get a clean slate here. And I added a little cord there so I got more cord and flexibility with everything. So, let's go ahead and get started. This will probably be the last video for a little bit here because I got to charge my phone up for a while. So let's get started. Needs to be adjusted a little higher. Cannot leave that on self-adjust. We'll put it on plush. So that's about the only one I can do. There we go. Stop it from being in power drive. Once you release it, power drive works. It's got the power surge function. It's a 2-speed motor. Go ahead, unplug it, and I am pretty glad this actually works yet. After all these years. Except for this last little piece of it is being a pain. There we go. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video.